horoscopic. This Zeon, it has a problem. Like, so you can see the light. The customer said the light turns on, then goes off. And watch something. You can see it now. The light goes off. You see this light is flashing too. You see it? This is the battery indicator for the low battery. When we put the brightness of the LED high, go off. And sometimes it just turns on and go off, like now. I did try a couple cables with this one, and most of them, they turns on, they works. This one here is do the same problem as the customer said. And the customer, he didn't send his original cable. So you can see it's flashing red. So flashing red is indicating the battery is low. Let's see the battery voltage. So we are on the DC mode. The battery voltage is a 4 volt. Let me connect this one. Let's press. When the LED turns on, you can see the voltage is dropped. So let's try again. Let's go to 3.8. So the voltage is not stable when the LED is on. Let's go on the diode mode and check why that voltage is dropping. Could be a bad battery, or could be there is a short. So let's go with this capacitor here. This is the LED output connector. I'm going to check this component. So it's open here. Check this diode, 0.3. 0.3. Maybe because the diode is connected to a resistor or something. I'm going to check that later. And we check is AC 0.7, 0.5. If we flip, open, from here 0.3, from here to here 0.3. And you can see this 0.3 is look like the same as 0.3 in this diode. Is it? 0.37. 0.37. Yeah, what the diode is? The diode is marked as a UA. But I'm going to take that diode and we measure it out of the board. Let's put some, we'll put some flux. The diode will not fly away. The flux is gonna hold it over there after it's melted. Put it between that two resistor and the diode is going to stay safe over there. Okay. So the diode is open, and if we flip, it's open both ways. I'm gonna take this diode. Same, you can see it is a UA. And if we flip, yeah, this diode works, but the other diode, it doesn't work.
At foreignnews.com, you can get access to trusted treatments for ED, hair loss, and anxiety from licensed medical providers with a
0.36.
process and free discreet shipping if prescribed. It's no wonder guys love
We are going to take this component and we test it. Do we still have that 3 something here? .6. 3.6 is not short, but it's a low ohm. Okay, let's see what I'll see how many ohm in here between these points. 1 each ohm. Okay, that's explain it. So basically this pad here is connected to the ground. That's the ground. And when we measure from here to here, okay, same resistance. Okay, 0.9 kilo ohm. This means this is 1 kilo ohm. And here 1 kilo ohm. Okay. So this is 1 kilo ohm, and here that's why this we have 1 kilo ohm in this diode. This is a low reading in that. Let's put it in the transistor reader. I'm going to use this device. I'm going to solder the transistor over there, and we're going to read it. Alright, we soldered the transistor. Let's go to check it here. So you can solder the transistor, resistor, capacitor if you want to check the capacitor, how much microfarad in it. So let's power on the device. And it shows a MOSFET. You can see the symbol of the MOSFET, and it's giving you the space. That's what the drain, the gate, and the source. So this chip, it works. The Canada lost a penalty, and now the Belgium scored 1. So when you waste such a penalty, that's what you get. Let's see if they can do like Japan and Saudi Arabia. Let's put the battery. You still see the light is flashing. See the light? It's flashing. I do have another battery. This is the batteries that I use with this device. This is a newer lithium battery. This battery here at least is over 10 years old. We check the voltage in this battery, and this is the positive side of the battery and this is the negative. This is the battery sensor or temperature sensor. So we solder the positive. And we're going to solder the negative. I can solder the negative here. All right. And we're going to plug the headphone. Not the headphone, the LED. You know, the same plug as the headphone as well. The LED is on. We don't see the light flashing. You can see. Let's check the battery voltage. That's the maximum brightness. Here I lower the brightness and the maximum. You can see the LED is not flashing at all. How much the voltage in the battery? Is a 3.8. Yeah, the voltage in this battery is more stable than the voltage in this one. This one, when it tested by itself, it show like it show 4.1 volt, but when I connect to the LED, is drop it to 3.8, 3.7. Yeah, this LED is not flashing at all. So this device, it's need a battery. Let's replace the battery. Canada with a lot of opportunity to score. They have a good team. So this is the replacement battery. Just want to add this temperature resistor plus the connector. So I connect the black wire to the negative wire here, the positive wire to the positive output here. So the same thing, it was the red and the black wire, the old one. for the temperature resistor. One side we're gonna connect it to the ground. You can see this one is connected to the ground. The other side is gonna connect to the white wire. Slowly check the battery voltage to be sure that we connected it right. Positive should be here and negative should be in the middle. 3.9 volt. So let's put it. Yeah, turns on. Okay. You can see it's changed. We changing the brightness. And it's staying on. We don't have no blinking light here for the low battery. .77. Yeah, we don't see a big jump in the battery voltage. The light is still on. I can see it's still on. Yeah, it works. So let's put it together and ship it back to the customer.
Or you get lucky, you put it in. Yeah, I mean, obviously I gotta keep my head up after that, but definitely keep.
We've got a 0-0 score at the half, 5 minutes after the break. Morocco pressuring.
So after I put it together, let's. There it works. Yep. Now we can control the brightness, and you can see the LED is on. It's not going off. Let's test the charger. Yeah, we have the light for the charger. Yeah, it's ready to go. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you again.